Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. Today we are going to be making Oyakodon. Oyakodon is a donburi, which is a Japanese rice bowl that comes in many flavors. Oyakodon is usually the very first donburi you learn how to make because it is the easiest, the quickest, and not to mention one of the cheapest, though very delicious. The name Oyakodon literally means parent and child bowl. It's called parent and child bowl because it contains both the chicken and the egg. It's a dish originally from Kobe in 1884 and has been a much loved dish in Japanese cuisine. Let's get it started.
Slice the onion lengthwise. Cut the chicken into bite size. Let's make the sauce. In a vessel, add water, dashi, sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. Mix it all together. Now, in a small bowl, crack open the eggs. Whisk. In a frying pan, add the liquids at medium heat and let it boil. Incorporate the onion, cooking for 2 minutes. Introduce the chicken, cook it one side, then flip and cook the other side. Turn down the fire low and add half of the egg portion. Let the egg cook and curd for 1 minute. You can close the lid if you want to slightly steam the eggs. Now, add the rest of the egg. You can fully or leave them a little bit runny if they are pasteurized eggs. Serve on rice and enjoy with a spoon.
And here it is, our Oyakodon, one of my very first dishes I learned and felt confident sharing with others. A dish that is quick, easy, and perfect for those days one needs extra protein. Combining it with white rice, it's also nice to be eating it with a spoon. Ooh. Oh. You should go and make this right now. So good. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment below. I'll see you next week.